Learning is fun, the best ang may alam. Prep Kids, good or bad? Women's Math Edition.
Magbibigay ako ng halimbawa at sasabihin mo sa akin kung good or bad. O kaya po, handa ka na ba?
Handa na po, Lola Lovely.
Saying girls cannot be leaders.
Bad.
Tama, Apo. That's bad. Kasi lahat pwedeng maging leader, babae man o lalaki. Helping your mom and dad at home.
Good.
Good. Kasi ang lahat sa bahay dapat nagtutulungan. Laughing at a girl who wants to be an astronaut.
Bad.
Bad. Kasi lahat pwedeng maging astronaut. Next, encouraging your sister or friend to follow her dreams.
Good.
Good. Dapat suportahan natin ang isa't isa. And lastly, not giving girls the same chances as boys in sports or school.
Bad.
Bad. Lahat tayo ay may pantay-pantay na karapatan.
Laging tatandaan, always be good.